What's going on, guys? Bright and early in the morning, and I'm coming to get me some deals out my herb garden, guys. I'm coming to get, as you can see, I got a big patch of this is peppermint, and I got a big patch. It was just basically like here sitting in the ground, and I just came in and get some more, and I just pulled it right on out. Honestly, this stuff is so rigorous, man. It's gonna grow right back. You can cut it, but you see me pulling it out, I take that root out, so it's probably best to cut. But I'm gonna be honest, man, this stuff is so rigorous. It start right here, and you can see it ending right here, and it can probably go all around this garden. So, you know, taking up this mint is really nothing. I'm about to take this up right here, and I'm gonna go put this in some boiling water. I'm gonna chop the bottom off, of course, and wash it. And I'm gonna put in some boiling water so I can make me some peppermint tea. Got some right here. We're gonna make some peppermint tea with that. And let's see what else we want, man, to make some tea. I hear lemon balm. See, most of this stuff, guys, I hear is good for stress. It's good for your digestive system, and it's good for like headaches and stuff, the things I was looking at. So I also want some lemon balm, man, to get a little flavor in that tea and see what's going on with the lemon balm. I never really used the lemon balm myself, but I'm gonna take a few stems off right here, and then I'm gonna use the lemon balm also. Dang, the lemon balm smells really good, guys. So I'm gonna use this lemon balm. I'm gonna use it with that peppermint, and then we're gonna put that in some tea. We're gonna sit that guy right here, right there on the ground. It's okay to be on the ground, guys. I mean, we're gonna go wash it, and this is where the stuff was born at anyway. So yeah, we're gonna get some lemon balm, and we're gonna get some peppermint, and we might go get some regular mint, and we're gonna throw that in some water and make some tea. That is the benefits of having your own herb garden, guys. They say the herbs is for the medicine, and look at this, look at this, look at this. All this German oregano. The Italian oregano is coming back out. We have sage over here, peppermint, we have rosemary, we have lemon balm, we have all this thyme for how many steaks you want. We have asparagus that's actually coming back out right here. Should be more coming out over there, man. So we got a lot of stuff going on in the garden. That's what I love about the herbs, man. You can just come out here, pick them, and they'll grow back rigorously. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. If you love gardening, this is the channel for you. We do everyday updates, so you can see how this stuff grows from like a little leaf into a big plant. We have like 17, 18 different fruits, vegetables, and herbs out here, from tomatoes, the blackberries, the pears. You can scroll down on my shorts and watch all my last videos. Please subscribe.